Join me as I make my Shea range bar soaps. This is made with shea butter and I'm making 6 different molds today. Of course, it's not in real time. This is well sped up so you can watch me and join me as I make these soaps. This is made with mica, oats, goat milk, and honey. And this range, I want it to be all scented in essential oils. Okay, so this one is scented with bergamot. Okay, of course, my oils for this range is more of shea butter. I've got palm oil in here and palm kernel oil. I have olive oil too as well. Okay, so this one is ready and is set to pour until our next batch. Guys, I want to say a big thank you for 700. God bless you guys. I'm happy for 700 of you. Well, at the time I am videoing this, 700 strong today. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for the journey so far. God bless you for being here. And if you're not subscribed yet, please join this family. Join me, join us. Okay, so this next batch is the turmeric and kojic. It also has carrot. The oil was infused with carrot, and of course the same oil profile is the same, and this is scented with cedar wood. Okay, these bars are already sold out as at me editing this video. They are already sold out, and we'll be stocking more on our shelf. If you're interested in these bar soaps, hit us up. We'll be leaving our number on the screen, and the first pinned comment will have the link to our WhatsApp where you can place your orders. If you want custom made soaps, if you want private labeling, give us a call, let us know, and we will have that conversation. Now, this next bar is our charcoal soap. Okay, and it is scented in tea tree, oil. Okay, and that is so beneficial to the body. I just thought I'd show you guys this whole process, and it's so soothing to watch, especially when I am mixing it. When you pour the light into the oil, it's so beautiful as it emulsifies. Okay, my growth on YouTube has been, for me, lovely. Okay, I don't know what growth rate it is they have on YouTube, but what I know is that I'm enjoying my process. Okay, I'm taking it a step at a time. I'm enjoying every bit of my content that I put out, every valuable content. I try to put in work to make it valuable enough. So I hope you guys do appreciate it. I had some comments say that I put out too much information that is useless. Well, it might be useless to you, but a lot for another person. So that means my channel might not be for you. Okay, so I would rather put out good information. I would rather put out a lot of information. Please go ahead and sift out the information you get. Okay, and do your own research before you decide on what it is you want to do. I hope that makes sense. Now, this is my coffee shea butter soap, and this is made with coffee, obviously, and it is scented with sweet lemon, sweet orange, lemon, and cinnamon. I love the combination. It smells so good, and it's exfoliating to the skin for my exfoliating lovers that love and a scrubby bar. Okay, so this is for you. All these bars are sold out, but we will be restocking these bars very, very soon. Now, what helped my process through YouTube was trying to be consistent, and of course, to start was like a big deal. Always starting on YouTube is always a big deal for some people, and I had a support system, Dr. Malik. He's here on YouTube, and he put me through. My channel was optimized, so it made it a lot easier, what to say, what to do, how to optimize your channel and get it ready for people to come and eat your content. Okay, so shout out to Dr. Malik. Thank you so much. God bless you for putting out a course. You can check his channel. His name is Dr. Malik. Okay, and if you want to start up your YouTube journey, then you should reach out to him. Okay, this is my Shea black soap. This is my Shea black soap, and that white soap, it's amazing because it's black soap but it's white. Okay, and it is the only soap that is not scented with essential oil. It's scented with Japanese cherries. It has a very, very sweet smell. Now this one is scented with lemongrass, and it has Dead Sea mud. It has moringa and neem in it. Yes, so I think we've gone through all the soaps that are in this range, and these are all of them lined up beautifully well. And oh, look at them. I did so much work this day. So guys, thank you so much. I'm so happy for 7 of you being here. God bless you so much. This is just an appreciation video and you watching me make these bar soaps. Thank you so much. God bless you, and continue being here. Let me know what kind of content you would like me to put out on this channel. I'm still waiting to see the kind of content you would like me to do, or any series you would like me to start up next. But for now, I just thought I'd bring out, since 500 just went by me so fast. We were still doing our series for the 500 when 500 subscribers hit. Okay, so I just thought I'd do a separate video for this while I show you how I went through making my Shea range. Okay, these bars are so hard, I decided to use my strings to give them marks, and then I went in with my knife. Okay, so I had this all chopped up, and look at how beautiful these are. This is my Shea black soap, and it is so pretty. It looks like ice cream that has cookies in it, cookie chips in it. So these are all the bars, guys. Thank you so much. If you want any soap from our range, please hit us up. Thank you. Until our next video, happy soaping.